Hello guys, it feels awesome to have you here. I'm Rich Sanaji and it's my pleasure. Today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to change the color of any dress using Photoshop. Pretty easy. So I'm going to be showing you how to convert this to this. I'm busy, right? Yes, but before we go into doing that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want you to use the super power right now and subscribe, so whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and take action, right? So now that you've done that, let's go play with some colors. Hello guys, so here we are. So to change the color of any dress in Photoshop is pretty easy. So what we are going to do, let's open a new document. So here now we are going to import the image that we are going to use here. So here we go open. So I have it on desktop here. So here, so it's pretty easy, right? So this is the image and I'm going to use. So if you import the image, right now the background is going to be locked. Whenever you import an image in Photoshop, the background will be locked by default. So what you want to do for this to work, you have to unlock the background by double clicking on this, right? Just click on it, right? It's going to convert the background to just a normal layer. So what we'll do is that now we are going to click on Hue and Saturation here. So this is it. But if you can't find it here, right, so in case you can't find it here, to get this right, you just go to your image and go to adjustment. So under your adjustment panel you see Hue and Saturation, or simply press Ctrl U. Then you see this small hand, just click on the hand. So any part of the dress that you want to change. So let's want to change the color of the suit. So you click there, hold down Ctrl and click on it, right? So see the blue will be highlighted. Then you can adjust the color to whatever you want, you see. So here it looks nice and black. So let me put this. So you see it looks nice and black. So let's try red and see. So here is darker blue. So here's green, there's yellow here. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. Wow, I love this. I love this color. Let me take it a little. Oh, this is. So this is the color. This is the color. So guys, so you see it's pretty easy, right? So you can save it and you use it whatever you want. So here is green. Green is also red is also nice, but I think it's too much, it's too loud. So this red is too red. So but I love this. I really love this. So yeah. So guys, so thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share with a friend that that you think may need this video. Thanks for watching. Till next time, it's Rich is so. We're going to save this and export. We're going to export as PNG. So guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.